There's no need to retire the hardware when offboarding vehicles. Modern telematics units can last for several years over multiple vehicle cycles. You know, um, in the case of expanding technology, modular ports on modern hardware allow new plug and play add-ons to be implemented without swapping devices or adding new telematics units. Like the new AI damage detection that INVERS released recently. This is like a purely plug and play unit rather than having to rely on having a completely new device.
Right. So the damage detection module that you're talking about is a couple of years old, roughly. Our box is older than that, but you see the illustration there with all the different ports that can be plugged into. So uh, yeah, so even technology that hasn't been invented yet, the unit is designed to be kind of modular and future-proof.
Yeah, yeah. Even, down to getting down to the wire of the kind of actually physically uninstalling the box and putting it into a new vehicle. New parts like power harnesses and mounting pads for the antenna can be easily ordered. And this means, the telematics can be reused for several times over the course of many years.